In the last episode, we made our way back from King of the Hammers, stayed at a beautiful campsite in Lake Havasu, had a visit with the cops, and left just in time to see a beautiful sunrise. Now we are having issues with a squeaky serpentine belt in the middle of nowhere. Enjoy. Okay. Belt on the alternator. That's what Wally thinks right now. Well, that's fun. That belt is hot. Definitely some smoke.
At first I thought you were pulling over to let me catch up, and I was like, oh, maybe we're taking a little break. And I pulled up and I heard that noise, I was like, oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah. That's no. Oh shit. Sounds fine.
I'm gonna come back.
Yeah. I think I can make it home.
It got really hot.
Yeah. This is a classic case of me being overly optimistic and Wally speaking the truth.
Keep trucking along. If you hear the noise, get loud.
Stop.
Pull off.
Yeah.
I'd say we try to get home quick.
Let's hit the road.
Let's do it.
3. All right. It's making noises again. So we're just gonna stop for a sec here. But luckily this is a pretty cool spot. We're pretty far off the road. And Wally's here. Started squeaking again.
I heard it.
So figured I'd just at least let it cool down. I mean,
Worst comes to worst, we just camp out overnight.
right? This is, I mean, dude, this is a sick little spot.
Should we fire up some vodka cranberries?
Repeat of last night?
Welcome to Survivor, man. We're in the middle of Alaska right now. 30 degrees below zero.
We're gonna make it.
I hope so.
No, just kidding. I know, right? This isn't bad, I mean. So yeah, I'll let her cool down, see what happens. Yeah. The mighty jungle
sleeps tonight.
Yep. Oh gosh. Sounds terrible. Obviously. Okay. Oh wow. What the heck? What the heck is that? Okay. Yeah. I think we should go now because it sounds good. Know what I'm saying?
That alternator season though, you'll break when you're done.
Yeah. Well, we should get further though, right?
We should go buy an alternator in the next town.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Try to limp to the next town and see if we can find an AutoZone or similar parts supplier. So we're just gonna enjoy the open road and hope that the Dodge Mahal keeps on purring like a kitten. You're doing good, Dodge Mahal. We can do it. We can do it. We'll give you some good upgrades when you come. So we are 15 minutes away from Anapa. I just found it on the maps here. The handy dandy phone.
Auto Parts Growers Oil Co. may be closed by the time you arrive.
Ah, it is closed. It's 5:22. They closed at 5. Uh-oh. Church of Hope. Oh, that gives me hope. We're gonna make it. So Phoenix is 113 miles away. We just gotta limp home 113 miles. It smells really bad. I gotta pull over. Like, I gotta pull over like right here, like right now. Yeah.
I mean, once I pull the tensioner off, once I back the tension off the tensioner,
Yeah.
I can use my hand to turn the pulley on the alternator itself to verify that that's what's wrong. So, and at this rate, you need a belt and an alternator. We could possibly take my truck, GPS, find the nearest AutoZone.
You think we could just patch this one together?
Yeah, man. It looks like it got a little braided there, eh?
Yeah.
Listen to this thing, dude.
Oh gosh. My bearing sounds terrible. Oh my goodness. Got a bunch of sand from KOH. And everywhere else in the country.
You have tools?
I think you were probably the perfect person to have here, Wally.
I've done my fair share of work, just never on the side of the road.
Yeah. Never?
Knock on wood, never.
Wow. Well, dude,
Waste
you're
everything.
welcome for that experience.
I'll never forget this trip, let me tell you.
Yeah, right?
Remember that one time we went to King of Hammers? And you bent your truck bed,
Yeah.
and I broke down.
It's good times.
If we can at least get up the road a mile,
Yeah, if we can at least get to a good camp spot,
and then a quarter mile up that dirt,
then the next 12 hours will be nice.
yeah, I'm ready to crack a beer open.
Yeah, right?
Start
Continue
cooking
this
some
along.
pasta. Again.
Oh, man.
Well, I'm glad I bought a 30-pack. And brought a
I'm glad I have
tonight.
30 gallons of water. We have plenty of water.
Oh, I might need to steal some water from you.
You
Might
can do that. You can do it.
I'd appreciate it, because then I can take a nice hot shower in the morning.
I think I owe you more than some water, boy. Maybe like a nice steak dinner or something. Yeah, for reals though.
That's gonna loop the compressor for the AC.
Luckily, I had a spare belt in the truck. Unfortunately, it was slightly warped from storage and wouldn't quite fit.
The battery will,
Wrong bit.
it'll run. It's just gonna drain your battery.
Oh,
You have jumper cables?
yeah.
Okay.
The truck will run without the belt?
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Your power steering, all your equipment won't work, but it'll still run.
Well, let's try to limp it. You said going down there?
Yeah, it's about a mile and you hang a right, and there's a long dirt road. I didn't go back there,
Sounds good to me.
but it's
Sounds
right by a
great
mobile
compared to
home park.
this.
There's a mobile home park, and you turn right where that's at. But you're gonna drop voltage real quick. So stereo off, everything off,
Yeah.
the electronics. That sucks. The tensioner and the alternator bearing's bad. What are the odds of that?
Dang, what a psych out on the belt.
Let me get up there and... Oh shit, I got grease all over your truck, dude.
Oh, it's fine, dude. No worries.
bad.
Nah, I don't care. It's a thing with a white truck. Okie doke. So the belt won't fit. It seems like it's a little bit long. I'm gonna drive with no belt to the next dirt road.
I wonder if Fife would drive an alternator out from Scottsdale.
He probably would.
Or somebody we know.
Yeah.
Then we're just gonna be limping home at 1 or 2 in the morning.
Yeah, I mean, I think we should try to stay tonight just because it'll be more convenient.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. Alrighty. We're driving with no serpentine belt. We're just gonna try to make it to this road here. This isn't turning on. Check gauges. That's a new one. They didn't spell gauges right though. My voltage is at 12.7, so it's dropping. But oh wow, 12.5 it's looking. But I think that's enough to keep her running. But that's not normal. Normally it's, you know, 13, 14. So here we have, looks like a bar, plaza kind of deal. RV Desert Gem RV Park. So hey, if we gotta stay in an RV park, that's just fine, but we'll obviously try to find some free camping. Here's a dirt road. Oh yeah, Wally, this is sweet. Truck's running great. 12.6 still. It's really funny to be like broken and going into the desert, but that's why we have truck camper friends. Gotta love Arizona, man. Seriously, you can just kind of go wherever you like for the most part. I mean, power steering still works. We're at 12.6 still. I don't know, things seems to be running good with no serpentine belt. Looks like he's pulling off here. Alright, this is our camp spot.
What up, dude?
Dude, nothing. My serpentine belt broke.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
And the alternator bearing is shot and the tensioner is seized.
Yeah.
And the pensioner what?
The alternator bearings are shot and the tensioner is seized.
Is D?
Seized.
It's deceased, no longer
Seized.
with us.
It's deceased. It's
So that's what
deceased.
What's the tensioner?
It's yeah. That Napa that was closed. Well, now we're like 5 minutes from it. Salam. So that's cool. So we'll go there in the morning.
You're pouring jacks now?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Might as well.
We quickly settled into our campsite and managed to get a pretty good campfire going. Soaking in this moment was something I'll never forget. We had a plan, we had gotten this far, and on top of that, we were fully prepared to live another week out of our campers if need be. To me, this is true freedom. Thanks for watching part 1 of our breakdown. Be sure to hit that subscribe so you don't miss part 2. The question is, are you down to mob?